Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm excited to show you how to issue a partial refund here on eBay. So without further ado, let's begin. Is this your first time here on eBay? Do not worry because I got you covered. Now, for you to create an account, you can choose from personal or business, and all you gotta do is just provide your full legal name here, email and password, and by clicking the create an account button, you're all set. That's easy. But to simplify the process, why not just continue with your Google account, or you can continue with Facebook, and if you happen to have your Apple account ready, just click on it and log in using our credentials. Okay, so a partial refund here in eBay happens when, say for example, the seller, like you or me, returns some of the customer paid for an item, not actually the full amount, because the buyer typically also keeps the item rather than going through the whole returns process. Now, why does it happen? Well, it's not the same for every day or for everyone. Say, for example, this is your item that you already sold for a specific customer. Sometimes you'll have an angry or irate customer, or there's a problem with the product or delivery. But eBay makes it easy to win over dissatisfied customers when things go wrong, right? By giving you the option to issue an eBay partial refund, right? Say for example, it came damaged or there are a few scratches. Now, in that sense, what will happen is if that item came defective, it might warrant a quarter refund if something's damaged but still functional, and a half refund might be more appropriate. Now, for you to be able to issue a partial refund, I need you to go to your account. Now, your interface might be different from what I have because I'm using my eBay. If you're using Seller Sub, it's a little bit different, but all you're gonna do is go to your selling or summary. It depends on what you're using. If you're using a mobile device right now, just click on selling. Click on selling. Now, once you are on the active or sold items that you recently wanted to do a partial refund, all you're gonna do is click on the specific items, and from there you would have an option, okay, to send refund. That's it. So click on the said listing, click on that, and you would be able to see send refund. And once you click on it, now a window will appear, and then you would have the interface to refund the buyer, and all they're gonna do is put in the amount of refund amount here, right? It's a partial refund, it's not a whole refund, right? And after doing so, there's a note wherein you can add, because the buyer will be notified that you issued them a partial refund on the item. Instead of giving you a dissatisfied feedback, you might want to win them by offering a partial refund. All right, and that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.